Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's September 20th, 2010. Well, we're going to be higher this morning across the board in the grains. Overnight markets were extremely strong. Corn 8 to 10 higher, soybeans 20 to 23 higher, wheat 8 to 9 higher. Here is probably where we're going to start out this morning in the grains, in line with overnight. News items very limited. Yet on Friday, we had the Commitment of Traders report come out, showed that we increased long positions by funds in the corn market up to 412,000 contracts. That doesn't even include the 20 to 40,000 contracts that was added toward the end of the week. So we're getting a pretty tight balloon here, the way it looks. But as long as the market's going up, it's going to continue to go up, because that's the trend and the momentum and the enthusiasm's got us moving higher, and led by the corn market. Although overnight, soybeans took over that lead, up 23 to 25 cents as a high. We're backed off about 10 cents here on the close in the night session. Slight increase in fund positions there, 137,000 net long positions. We've got some weather issues in China. They're talking about frost possibly later this week, which is a bit early for that area. Could see some crop damage, but probably not a lot of crop loss from it. Also, the USDA should be releasing their harvested numbers today. We should get a 5 to 6% completion in that area here this afternoon at 3 o'clock. Other news is weather here in the U.S. We've had a lot of rain moving across the central Corn Belt, northern Missouri, southern far areas of southern Iowa. Got inundated with rain here over the weekend, 4-inch totals in some places even more than that, but a lot of rain in those areas, and they were hoping for an excellent crop there and looking to get started harvesting soybeans here. Not going to happen for a few days. Wheat market, northern Russia got some rain. Southern Russia is still extremely dry. We also had announcement late on Friday that Ukraine Parliament put out a statement that any ship carrying food should be seized and exports. So that kind of tells you that Ukraine is ceasing exports of wheat and grain products right now, although they haven't come out with an official statement on it. So grain markets are strong, appear to be strong here today. I think you've got to look at these markets as very positive from a continuing move higher. But from a producer's side, you also got to look at it as a way to lock in some extremely good profits for production this year. Either you're selling it right off the combine, or you need to come in and step in and make some sales here in the futures using some option strategies we would recommend, because it limits some of your risk on the upside. So you need to contact your Allendale representative and discuss those issues so we can help you work through this wild and crazy time that we've got in the grain markets right now. In the livestock, we've got cattle on feed report that came out Friday. Overall, that report was considered as bearish after we ran the market up on Friday. 103% cattle on feed, 107% placed, two numbers that are much larger than what the trade was expecting. We'd expect the cattle off of the report to open lower. However, these outside markets, with the strength in the grain and the overall buying across the commodity complex by funds again here this morning, we'd expect probably a steady to higher call, simply because of that these outside markets, and not worrying about the cattle on feed report specifically. Product was weaker. This week we expect cash markets to be steady to higher. In the hog trade, product was lower on Friday. The trend is still up. We did have a setback in the October contract on spreaders on Friday. However, with the strength in the corn, we expect the deferred contract, the hogs, to continue to be stronger here, as higher priced corn would suggest that we will have less hogs kept for breeding, and would suggest tighter supplies down the road. So a lot of volatility here this morning again. Looks like everything will be starting out the day stronger, and with that, with the strength that we've seen over the last several days and sessions in the grain markets, a setback could happen at any time. Be prepared. Use risk management. That's the word of the day. So if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale, 800-262-7538. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. We wish you a successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.